Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Gardena Multi Sprayer Premium. It's also available in classic multi sprayer and a comfort multi sprayer too. But this is the premium multi sprayer here. This is an integrated dirt filter, prevents coarse dirt from getting into the multi sprayer housing, and integrated frost proofing ensures that the spray remains undamaged even when the temperatures drop. And the soft plastic components provides the premium multi sprayer with a secure grip while you are using it. The Gardena Premium Multi Sprayer can perform all irrigations and cleaning tasks. The Premium Multi Sprayer is additionally equipped with metal components and therefore practically sturdy. Parts of the sprayer head and the connectors are made of metal and are therefore extremely durable. So if you like a product which you can use for much of years, then this is your sprayer for at home. This is the fine mist spray, is perfect for watering and tender seedling. The gentle soft spray or the bubble jet enables accurate watering of planted areas or plantains, and the hard jet or the flat jet can be used to effectively complete the cleaning tasks. It is made in Germany, so it's durable. Gardena products made in Germany stands for quality, reliability, performance, and durability. We have an awesome, comfortable handling. The soft plastic components provides the premium multi-sprayer with a secure grip. The ergonomic trigger with the integrated lock and a single finger water flow adjustment make the handling particularly pleasant and easy cleaning. An integrated dirt filter prevents coarse dirt from getting into the multi-sprayer itself. The filter can easily be removed for cleaning, and it's extremely sturdy. The premium multi-sprayer is additionally equipped with metal components and therefore particularly sturdy. Parts of the spray head and connector are made of metal and therefore extremely durable. And integrated frost-proof ensures that the sprayer is good in the winter time. This is the Gardena Premium Multi Sprayer. It can perform all irrigations and cleaning tasks. The article number is 18317-20, and you can use it for various watering and cleaning tasks with 5 spraying patterns. We have 5 spraying patterns: soft spray, bubble jet spray, fine mist, flat spray, and the hard jet. The frost protection, yeah, there it is. And this is awesome, because if you forget your multi-sprayer outside and it will be really cold, it's no problem for it, because the multi-sprayer is made of metal parts, so it will not break anymore because of the outside conditions in frost. You can adjust the power, you can adjust so many various watering patterns, and of course it's really easy because it comes with a smart plug indication, and so you can dock it so fast to your tube at home. You can use it easily. This is the premium multi-sprayer. It's a nozzle and sprayer device from Gardena for you and me too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.